On this video today, I'm going to show you a highly targeted, cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is easy, and the best part is that I'm going to show you the offer that you can promote. I'll also be showing you the traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can get high conversion. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so if you decide to create your accounts on CPA Group, you can find offers to promote. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. Once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. To find offers, you're going to come right here. Once you're here, scroll down to offer tools. Once you're on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get offers to promote. CPA offers are country specific. That means each of the offers have a country where it is allowed to be promoted. As I scroll down, all these offers that you are seeing on your screen, they are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. Apart from the United Kingdom, if you promote them to people who live outside the United Kingdom, you are not going to be earning the payout. So what you have to do is that you have to first of all find a country where you have a traffic source before you select an offer. In this case, I'm going to be showing you a website where you can get traffic to any country that you want. So what you have to do is that you have to select a country where you can get offers with higher payout. To select a country, you are going to scroll up and then click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll through and then find a country where you can get offers with higher payout. There are a lot of different countries that you can select. Any of them that you click on, you can see the offers and then the payout. In this case, I've done the research ahead of time, and I'm going to show you one of the countries that you can get offers with high payout. So just come right here. Once you are here, search for Sweden. Once you search for Sweden, you can see it here. Click on it. Once you search for Sweden, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Sweden so that they can take action for you to make money. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning 8 cents. The second one, you're going to be earning $3.42. There are many offers, so what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select any of the offers that you want to promote. You can see this one right here. The payout is $10.27, and the offer is about an iPhone. You can see iPhone. If you don't understand the language, what you have to do is that you have to translate them using Google Translate. Once you translate the text to any language that you understand, you can be able to promote the offer. You can see the offer. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter a PIN code so that they can stand the chance of winning an iPhone, and you are going to be paid $10.27. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter the required details so that they can stand the chance of winning iPhone 14. Once they enter their details, whether they win or not, you are going to be earning $10.27. There are many of them, so you can scroll down and then select any of them that you want. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them with higher payout. You can see this one is the same offer, but the difference is that this offer is allowed on Apple iOS, whilst the first one is allowed on Android. So when you scroll upwards, you can see the offer. It is allowed on Android device, but it is the same offer. There are many offers apart from Sweden. There are many other countries that you can get offers that you can earn up to $20. Some you can earn up to $16. Others you can earn up to $8. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be promoting offers in Sweden. You are going to be promoting offers that are allowed in Sweden. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer, iPhone 14. So just click on it so that you can see the details of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see this is your applet link. You can see the warning. This offer is only allowed on Android in Sweden, so you are allowed to promote the offer to people who live in Sweden. Apart from that, you can see this is the offer title. If you don't understand it, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to search for Google Translate. Once you are on Google Translate, paste it so that you can translate it to any language that you understand. You can see get your iPhone 14 gift card now. So that is what the people are going to win when they enter their details. If you don't understand English, you can click on this icon. Once you click on it, Select the language that you understand so that the text can be translated to that language. Once you translate the language, you know what the offer is about. You can now promote it to people who live in Sweden. Now, once we know what the offer is about, the next step is that we have to begin promoting it. So the first step is that we have to get a website where we can get a lot of people who live in Sweden to click on our affiliate link and then enter their details for us to make money. If you want, you can use the paid traffic source or you can use the free traffic source. In this case, we are going to be using the paid traffic source so that we can get a lot of people who live in Sweden to click on our link and then enter their details. The website that we are going to be using today is octoclick.com. On this website, you can buy traffic at a very cheap cost to your affiliate links. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this website to get people in Sweden so that they can click on our link and then enter their details for us to make money. The best part is that most of the traffic coming from this website are from Sweden. Let me show you on SimilarWeb. As you can see on SimilarWeb, the people who visit this website, most of them are from Russia. You can see the second country is Sweden. So the people who visit this website, 22% of them are from Sweden. So when we use the website to advertise our affiliate link, we are going to be getting a lot of traffic since people who visit the website are from Sweden. So what you have to do is that you have to create your free account so that you can begin to use the website to advertise your affiliate link. To create an account, click on register. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your details so that you can create a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to create your campaign. To create a campaign, click here, campaigns. Once you click on it, you are going to click on add. Once you click on add, the first step is that you are going to give a name to your campaign. So type any name that you want. You can type iPhone 14, something like this. Once you enter the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to select the category of your campaign. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to scroll down and then select the right category of your campaign. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Just scroll down and then select the one that is best for you. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to be selecting technology and computing. Click on it. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can see these are subcategories under technology and computing. So what you have to do is that you have to select the one that best suits you. In this case, we are going to select cell phones. Once you enter that, the next step is that you are going to select your goal. So click on it. Once you click on it, what do you want your potential visitors to do? You can see a whole lot of different things. They have products and services, registration, push subscription, a whole lot of different things. In this case, we are going to select push subscription. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see money hourless. You can limit the amount of money that you spend per hour. You can also limit the amount of money that you spend per day. In this case, I'm not going to limit anything, so just leave it and click on next. Once you click on next, you can see the targeting all website topics. If you are targeting all website topics, you are going to leave it like this. If you don't want that, click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any of these categories. You can see a whole lot of them. Just scroll down and then select any of them that you want. In this case, we just want people in Sweden to click on our link. It does not matter the topic, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see all countries. We are not targeting all countries, we are targeting Sweden. So click here. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select Sweden. If you don't want that, you can type Sweden here, type Sweden. Once you type it, you can see Sweden. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. It has been selected. Once that is done, the next step is that we are going to select the regions. In this case, we are targeting all regions in Sweden, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see all operators. Click on it. Once you click on it, we are going to select any of these operators. In this case, we are targeting all operators, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see all types of devices. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can select the right type of device that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting smartphones, so select that. The offer is allowed on Android, so we have to target smartphones. So apart from smartphones, we can also select tablets. Click on it. Once you click on it, select smartphones. Once you select smartphone, we are going to select tablet, so select tablet. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see all device manufacturers. We are targeting all device manufacturers, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see all OS, that is all operating system. We are not targeting all operating systems, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the right operating system. In this case, we are targeting only Android, so select Android. Once that is done, all operating system versions. Yes, we are targeting all operating system versions. Once that is done, you can see all browsers. Click on it. Once you click on it, if the offer is not allowed on all browsers, you can select that. But in this case, there is no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see all browser versions. There is no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see all browser languages. In this case, we are going to select the language that the people in Sweden understand. As you can see on Google Translate, the people who live in Sweden speak Swedish, so we have to select Swedish. So what you have to do is that you have to come back. Once you come back, we're going to select Swedish. You can see Swedish, select that. Once you select Swedish, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see IP list. So if you want to restrict any IP address, you can do that, but in this case we are not going to do that. Once that is done, you can see time targeting. If you don't want your ad to run on any day of the week, you can select that, but in this case we want our ad to run on all days of the week, so leave it and then click on next. Once you click on next, all these are not important, so click on save. Once you click on save, you're going to see a page like this. This is your ad, but one thing that is missing is that we have not inserted our affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to now create an ad creative. So if you want, you can click here to create an ad creative, or you can click here to create an ad creative. In this case, you want to click here, so just put your pointer here. Once you put your pointer on it, click on add creative. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see you have to type a name of your ad here, so type iPhone 14. Once that is done, you're going to select your ad format. You can see in-page push, pop under, teasers. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, you are going to select in-page push, so select that. Once you select the ad format, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link. You can see this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see status after moderation. It is currently on pause. We don't want it to pause. You want our ad to run immediately after moderation, so select active. When you select active, it means when they approve your ad to run, it is going to start running automatically. If you select pause, it means you have to log in and then activate it again, but in this case I want it to run automatically. Once that is done, you can see you can limit the impression per day, impression per hour, impression per minute. If you want to set your limit, you can do that, but in this case I'm not going to do that. So click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see use targeting from campaign. Yes, we are going to use the targeting from the campaign that we created, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to enter the byte. So enter any amount that you are willing to pay. Just enter any amount. Once you enter the amount that you are willing to pay, click on next. Once you click on next, what you have to do is that you have to select a template. This is how the image of the offer is going to appear like. If you don't like it, click here so that you can choose a different template. Once you click on it, you can see they have a lot of different templates that you can select. They have a lot of them, so any of them that you want, you can select it as your template. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select this template. As you can see, this is the template. Once you select the template, the next step is that you can change the title, you can change the description, you can change the color, you can change everything about the template. In this case, I'm going to change the title here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA grip and then copy and paste the title of the offer here. So just come back on CPA grip. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, just come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is how your ad is going to look like. So let's delete everything, leaving the iPhone, because this does not look nice. You can see this is the preview of it. It does not look nice, so just delete everything so that the text can position well. As you can see, let's leave it like this. You can see everything is now correct. Once that is done, you are going to add some text here. So just come back on CPA grip, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. You don't need to understand the language before you promote an offer. The people that you are promoting the offer to, they understand the language. That is the most important thing. So once you copy the text, just come back. Once you come back, you are going to paste it as your description. So just paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the text. the people understand what it means. Once that is done, you can see they have a text button. You can see exclusive offer. You can leave it like that, or you can scroll down and then enter more details. Once you have your template, you can see this is the preview of it, but you can see the first one is exclusive offer, that is in English, and we are promoting to people who understand Swedish. So you have to copy this and then translate it to Swedish. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on Google Translate. What you have to do is that you have to click here so that the English will come here and then Swedish will come here. So when you paste the text here, it is going to be translated to Swedish. So let's cancel this text and then paste the text here. As you can see, the text has been pasted, and you can see this is the translation. Click on this icon to copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. So you can see everything is now in Swedish. So when people see it, they will understand what the offer is about. Now once you have all these details, the next step is that you're going to click on save. Once you click on save, you can see your ad has now been created. It is now waiting for moderation. You can see moderation. Once they moderate and approve it, it is going to start running and you are going to be getting traffic. But before your ad runs, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your account. To deposit money, what you have to do is that you have to click on balance. Once you click on balance, you are going to select top up. Once you click on top up, you are going to select the operator. So you can see they have capitalist, they have a lot of different options. Just select it. Once you select it, you are going to enter the amount that you want to deposit. The minimum amount is $20, so you can enter $20. Once you enter the minimum amount, you are going to click here to agree to terms and conditions. Once that is done, you are going to click on top up balance. Once you click on it, you are going to proceed to make payments so that you can deposit money into your account. Once you deposit money into your account, your ad is going to start running and you are going to get people who live in Sweden to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details so that you can be making money on CPA Grip.